This video is brought to you in association with Funded Today. Funded Today helps you get more pledges for your Kickstarter and Indiegogo campaign with professional video and design. Links are in the video description below. Thank you. Let's get on with the show. Talk funding clip. Over to William of Pangea and their Bamboo Eco Tile 2.0.
Hi, my name is William DeRico, and we just launched this product called the Pangea Bamboo Eco Towel 2.0. It's the second version of our most funded travel towel we launched last year, and now we've made it more rugged, stronger, and really optimized for outdoor travel. But it's also probably the best towel for the environment that's ever been created. It cleans 2 pounds of plastic trash from the rivers that are flowing out into the ocean, so preventing trash from getting into the ocean. We also restore ecosystems as a part of our carbon offset project. And we eliminate the production of microfiber plastic, which is the #1 source of microplastics in the ocean. So right now we're trying to raise $200,000 to put a trash barrier in the world's dirtiest river. We've got 58 hours left, and we're really hoping we can cross that goal. So if you're inspired by our mission, please support us, or just spread the word, or tell someone you know about it. And yeah, together we can make a huge impact and start to reverse some of the pollution and damage that we've caused.
Thank you so much, William from Pangea and their live Kickstarter campaign, the Bamboo Eco Tile 2.0. Thank you so much, William. Bye.
Imagine if you could drink seawater. Quench Sea is primarily developed to help make an impact on the lives of people with no access to clean water. We are trying to reach economies of scale to reduce the costs to donate and distribute 100 million Quench Sea units by 2027. Quench Sea is a groundbreaking, low-cost, portable, manually powered device that instantly turns seawater into drinkable fresh water. Quench Sea is a revolutionary technology that combines a unique hydraulic system, triple pre-filtration, and a small reverse osmosis membrane to turn seawater into fresh water. Be prepared for any emergency. At sea or on the coast, convert seawater into clean, fresh drinking water instantly. Quench Sea can be a vital lifeline, offering emergency access to clean water in the worst-case scenario. Only manual operation is needed to produce above 2 liters of fresh drinking water in an hour. We are a team gathered from all corners of the world with diverse backgrounds and experiences, with one mission in mind: to make a global impact, to change the status quo, to help solve one of the biggest challenges of our time: access to clean, fresh water. We pledge to impact 1 billion people by 2027. Buy, donate, or support. Join the pledge. Join us on our journey. Quench Sea, seawater to freshwater. How does Quench Sea work? Quench Sea is an innovative seawater desalination device that combines a hydraulic system, triple pre-filtration process, and a small reverse osmosis membrane to desalinate seawater into freshwater using human power. Its internal hydraulic system builds pressure to the required 55 bars for the reverse osmosis process to begin, removing salts from water. Quench Sea has an inbuilt triple pre-filtration system. Microfilters and an ultrafiltration cartridge remove suspended particles as small as 0.01 microns, including bacteria, viruses, and microplastics. A unique activated carbon filter ensures the taste of water is palatable. Using an advanced reverse osmosis process, water molecules are forced through semi-permeable membranes to filter out impurities, salts, and all contaminants, leaving only pure, safe drinking water that is guaranteed to be below 1000 TDS. Quench C is built to empower individuals to desalinate seawater into fresh water for personal use. Pre-order Quench C on Indiegogo now.
Hello everyone, welcome to our world, the world of Quench C. Today we are doing a witness test with TUV Nord, an inspector from TUV Nord, Mr. Baba Kenan. We're currently, it's the 11th of June, Thursday the 11th of June at around 11:30 a.m. in the morning. We're in Dubai, the United Arab Emirates. And this is the prototype that you've all been, this is the basic prototype. This was one of the, maybe the 7th or 8th one that we'd built and tested. And this is a working prototype. It turns seawater into fresh water. And we're going to get an independent, again to stress, an independent witness report to say that we've got a basic prototype. It's manually powered. This is how we use it. This is just a basic one. And as you can see, we've got 3 tubs here. So the first one is really, we'll put the middle one is the most, this is where we're sucking in is seawater. It's filtering it through the system, and then it produces fresh water. It comes out of here. And there's something called a reject brine, which is the very salty water, goes into this tub here. And it's a hydraulic system, and it uses that builds up pressure to 55 bars. You can see here it's actually going up just above, above 55 bars. Can you show them deep into this? What the, yeah. So that's over 800 psi with a hand pump, manual hand pump. And this is actually what's causing the desalination, because we've got a special filter inside called a reverse osmosis filter. Now we can test the water. Also, this is going to be independent, so TUV Nord will verify, and they've already done the tests even before we started this video, but we're doing it for the video, so at least we've got a record of it. So Pranay, can you test first the seawater to see what the salinity rate of the sea, what's the TDS? And I'll give an explanation. So now it's at 0. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, what does it read? Let it stabilize for...
Just hold it for 1 minute. Yeah, it's 39.4 ppt.
Okay, so what it turns to get it parts per million, you just times it by 1,000. So that means it is 39,000 total dissolved solids. That's actually very high for seawater. Seawaters normally are between 32 to 34,000. This seawater was sourced from the Persian or Arabian Gulf. Now we're going to just clean the TDS meter to test what does the freshwater. We're only measuring today just the TDS, but we've got lab reports measuring the pH, the biological, a full lab analysis of this water.
This is to prove that it's not modified, it's back to 0.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
And now we will be testing the fresh water.
Yeah,
it comes out of the system.
Yeah, this is the desalinated water. So we put it in, let it stabilize for a couple of seconds, move it around, Pranay, a little bit, just shake it in, yeah. Perfect. What's it stabilizing at?
740.
740.
It's 139 ppm.
Yeah. 730.
Approximately 740.
Yeah. So now it's gone down from 39,000 to 730 TDS, total dissolved solids.
Quench C, the first and only portable seawater desalination device in the world. We've developed the world's only low-cost, portable, easy-to-use seawater desalination device. Using an innovative technology, we've combined a simple hydraulic system and a small reverse osmosis membrane to desalinate seawater into fresh water using only human power. Quench C is meticulously crafted to embody the highest standards of experience, design, and engineering, while setting a new standard for water and energy use. Pre-order Quench C on Indiegogo now.
regular baseball caps can make you even hotter when you're working or exercising outdoors. And in the hot weather, this can be a problem. That's why we created the ChiliWear Cooling Cap, designed to keep your head cool even when you're working or exercising outdoors. Stylish, comfortable, lightweight and adjustable. Everything you want from a baseball cap, as well as our secret weapon against the heat. A removable gel pack housed in a fully insulated pocket to keep you cooler for longer. Wear us anywhere, anytime and for any activity, from gardening to golf, hiking to HIIT. It looks and feels just like a regular baseball cap. Going out for the day? No problem. Take our insulated lightweight carry pouch with you. The more you pack, the longer they stay cool. And that's not all. As well as keeping you cool, we can also be used to warm you up. You just heat our gel packs in the microwave when things get cold. So whatever you like doing outdoors, whatever the weather, whatever your pace, whatever your level of skill, whether working alone or alongside a friend or even part of a team, make sure you've bought your ChiliWear cap and you'll be ready for whatever the seasons throw at you.
UpCore. Get a perfect posture with a single click. UpCore 23 Minutes Postural and Strengthening Program was created by a team of physical therapists to effortlessly strengthen your body to stand up tall and straight. It will fix your posture from the foundation, keeping you upright all day, every day. Stay tuned. This is Gadgets and Widgets.
What if you could improve your balance, prevent back pain, and strengthen your back muscles with just a simple click of a button? Or in other words, improve your posture. We are Paulman RG. We have created UpCore, the first back brace system that works the deep layers of your muscles for you to truly improve your posture in the long term. Are you slouching right now? Then you most likely need this. Here's an interesting fact. The average person spends 15 hours a day in a slouching position. When you slouch, your head moves forward 4 inches on average, applying pressure of 40 pounds to your shoulders, neck, and back. That's the equivalent of carrying a child on your shoulders for 15 hours every day. Now imagine what this does to your posture and back. The good news is that we have a simple, clinically tested, and easy-to-use solution that really works. UpCore is the world's first patented back brace device that seamlessly strengthens your core and back muscles in just 14 days, allowing you to maintain good posture all day, every day. UpCore strengthens your posture in 2 ways. The first is with an immediate result. The back brace instantly aligns your posture, relieving tension on your spine and neck. The back brace draws your shoulders back, allowing your spine to immediately shift into the correct position. But it's not enough. A back brace alone holds your shoulders instead of your muscles, causing your back muscles to become lazy and weak. As a result, you slouch even more. This is where UpCore changes the game. UpCore's second and unique advantage is its FDA-cleared EMS and TENS wireless technology, which tones, strengthens, and relieves your back and core muscles. EMS technology is used by NASA as it's the most effective method to work out targeted muscles. EMS sends soft pulses to the muscles, triggering hundreds of muscle contractions. Thanks to our advanced 23 minutes full workout program, UpCore effortlessly tones and strengthens your muscles. TENS uses low energy current to relieve pain and discomfort. Together, they can fix years of slouching and back pain. UpCore comes in 2 models, UpCore Seamless, small and seamless brace you can wear underneath your shirt. It focuses on placing your shoulders back into place and strengthening your upper back muscles. UpCore Total, the complete posture changer, reinforces abs and back muscles for complete spine alignment and reinforcement. The belt kit includes additional replaceable pads for complete muscle reinforcement. Place them on other key postural muscles, such as your neck or lower back. Connect the UpCore wireless brain and let it work its magic. So if you want to build long-term, strong postural muscles, reduce back and neck pain, and most importantly, say goodbye to slouching for good, get your UpCore now.
Is learning an instrument giving you the blues? It's time for a breakthrough. Learn your favorite songs in minutes, not weeks, with the Polarized 2 Pro Smart Ukulele. With smart LED lights for fun and easy fingering, a built-in preamp for epic sound, Polarized 2 Pro will have you playing your favorite songs fast and interesting. Learn any song you want from our vast musical library. Pop? Classic? You name it, we've got it. And you can learn any song right from home with fun, easy tutorial videos right at your fingertips. Ditch the textbooks. Learning music should be fun. Polarized uses a new game-like strategy to allow you closer to mastery in a way you'll love. Go! And our patented music recognition listens while you play, offering helpful feedback and giving you a nudge when you're out of tune. Smart LED lights show you exactly where to put your fingers next, lighting up a path to perfect chords. Forget sheet music. The app lets you control your speed of play. Just set the pace and follow the lights to your favorite song's chords. A solid carbon fiber body makes the Polarized light, strong, and ready to deliver exceptional sound for years. Unlike wood, it never expands in the heat or shrinks in the cold, so your sound always stays true. We also added a powerful preamplifier that delivers studio-quality sound effects like delay, reverb, and chorus. Plus, we built the Polarized with eco-friendly materials, so it keeps our promise for a more sustainable planet, while performing at an even higher level than some wooden instruments. Founded in 2015, we set out to change the future of music and become the leader in musical education and smart instruments. With our Pop-Guitar Smart Guitar and Polarized Smart Ukulele launched on Indiegogo to great success before, this year, we're excited to welcome the Polarized 2 Pro to the family, bringing music to even more people around the world. We hope you'll take the journey with us.